Let's make a classic Iranian dish called قاتق, which is from the Caspian Sea region. It's a vegetarian dish. You can skip the egg if you want, just like I am. Making some katib, Persian style sticky rice to enjoy with it. Let's do it. Our main ingredient is fava beans. I have some that have been double skinned. You can buy them frozen and ready from Chop Chop Foods. Fresh dill. You can also use frozen dill if you want from Chop Chop Food. Garlic. I'm using lots of eggs are optional to go on top. Salt, pepper, turmeric. I'm going to use olive oil to saute everything that I'm making. And here I'm making some Happy Meal Persian style sticky rice. You can make it with basmati rice and use either butter or grapeseed oil that I'm using here and some saffron. Shallots are beautifully translucent and golden. Added in my freshly chopped dill, my fava beans and some garlic. Adding in my seasoning, which is salt, pepper, turmeric. Sauteing it for about a minute or two before we add some hot water. Nicely sauteed. We're gonna pour in some hot water to just cover our mixture and let it come to a boil and cook down. Ready to serve. You can enjoy your قاتق with some saffron katib. Look at that beautiful tadig. And if you're not vegan, top it off with a fried egg. Enjoy.